Hi, welcome back to Aesthetica by Shemin. So, in this video, I will be showing you a magic Photocube, a DIY personalized gift which you can easily make at home. So, if you want to know how to make this wonderful gift, continue watching my video. So, these are the materials we need to make this. The normal household things like sellotape, a ruler, a sharp cutting blade, scissors, and a cardboard. Here I have taken a cake cover. You can take the covers of any cereal boxes like Kellogg's, anything. And it should be of minimum size 16 by 12 centimeter. And it should be thick also, but should not be not so thick that you can't fold the paper. Just cut a rectangle piece which is 16 centimeter width and 12 centimeter length. Now you just have to divide this rectangle into squares of 4 into 4 centimeters like this. So it is ready. Can you see? Then I am going to cut this like this. Just follow the instruction properly and cut accordingly. It is somewhat like a Z shape. The measurements are very important. It should not be 1 centimeter more or less. The square should be properly 4 into 4 centimeters. We have finished cutting our cardboard piece just like this. Now I am going to score the lines with the tip of the scissors so that folding will be easy for you. Be careful not to score the lines very forcefully. It may tear your cardboard piece. Okay? So I'll be showing you how to stick the sides of the cubes together with the sellotape. So make sure you're approximating the sides very carefully without any gaps like this. Just secure the sellotape properly. Be sticking the other sides of the cube. So I'm sticking the next side of the cube, and it is very important to avoid making any gaps while we are sticking the sides with the sellotape. If we make gaps, it will affect the size of the cubes. Even in millimeters will affect the perfect cube measurements. So we have already or almost completed making the cubes. If you want, you can cut this extra piece of sellotape on the sides. See how perfect is our cube without any gaps. So I have made 8 cubes precisely of the same size. So I'll be taking 2 of them and just follow the instructions very carefully. Just hold 2 cubes like this and secure it with sellotape. Just stick it like this. Just hold the cubes as close as possible, and we are going to make a hinge. Just turn the cubes like this and we'll be securing with sellotapes. So on the opposite side also. Just like this. One pair of hinges ready. Prepare like this 4 pairs of hinge with 8 cubes. So I'm drawing a line to show the direction in which I have stuck the sellotape like this. So arrange the cubes in such a way that the sellotape faces upwards like this. So in this, I'm taking the center 2 pairs of cubes and I'll be tilting like this. So the end 2 pairs will be like this and the center 2 pairs will be like this. After that, I'm tilting the 2 center pairs of cubes just like this. Now, I will be flipping the whole thing upside down. So it's not attached at all. If it comes apart, just make sure that you reset it again properly. Hold it as close as possible. So now stick the sellotape in the direction I'm showing you. Hold it as close as possible. You can even take help from your friend. Just like this, you have to stick the sellotape. I'm drawing this line so that you can appreciate the sellotape direction I have stuck. Just like this. Now keep flipping the cubes just like this and you will reach a side where there is no sellotape. There also we have to stick the sellotape in the previous manner I have shown you in the same direction. Now our amazing set of cubes that fold and unfold and do all kinds of cool stuffs are ready. Friends, what an amazing idea to give to someone you love. You can paste personalized messages or designs onto this cube, but here I'll be showing how to paste photos onto this cube. So I have taken printouts of my family photographs. So I've taken this in sticker paper so that it'll be easy for me to stick onto the cube. I have selected 4 rectangle shaped photographs and 4 square shaped photographs according to the dimensions of the cube. Now I'm going to cut this perfectly. See, our sticker photographs are ready. Now I'll be sticking these photographs onto the cube. So it is always important to hold the cube very closely so you can choose to take help from others. Just like this. Hold the cube very tightly like this and you can stick the photo onto the cube. Now I'll be showing how to cut. Just give a vertical cut like this. Never ever give a horizontal cut. This will destroy the entire idea. So just give a vertical cut like this. Now I'll be showing how to stick the photos here and what type of cut we are going to give. Just stick the photograph just like this and I'll be showing you how to give the cut. So just give a cross cut like this. In this you can give a vertical and a horizontal cut. Never ever cut through the tape. That is really important. So guys, you can just guess what mistake I had done. Now open the cube. Now we are going to stick photograph here. Here the cut is different. I'll show you how to cut. Just give 3 vertical cut and in the center, only in the center, a horizontal cut. Just like this. See? 3 vertical cuts like this and a horizontal cut. Just follow the grooves of the blocks while giving the cuts. Now in this photo, we'll be giving only a horizontal cut just like this. See, just a horizontal cut like this. Now here, just paste the photograph just like this, and I'll show the cut. It is a cross cut like this. So friends, please use a sharp cutting blade when you're giving the cuttings. So here also we'll be sticking a photograph and give the cutting just like this. 3 vertical cuts, and in the center only 1 horizontal cut. 3 vertical cut like this, and only in the center a horizontal cut. Now keep on flipping the cubes. Yeah, so we have reached a place where we haven't stuck a photograph. There we'll be giving a cross cut just like this, a cross cut. So keep on flipping, and we will reach a side like this, a square piece where we haven't stick the photograph. Just stick the photograph just like this and give a cross cut. So our magic cube is all set to rock and roll. Just see friends, what a wonderful gift we have made to present someone. So friends, this is a DIY gift with precious memories that is shaped into a photo cube. So create this cube that is filled with your favorite moments and embrace this magic cube as a personalized gift. Hope you all enjoyed my video. So like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Aesthetica by Shemin. Thank you friends for watching my video. Bye.